So our filler for the towel unit, delivered in more than 20 centimeter width and length, I hope in the height of the towel unit. And here we get the measures from 3 points, top, middle, below. And these measures we write here on our filler, minus 4-5 millimeter. I show you later why. Now we cut not 6 centimeter, we cut by 6 centimeter for 5.5, in the middle by 5.55, in the top by 4.54. Minus 5 millimeter in the width. So, and we cut with the jigsaw from underneath to have a clean cut. So, and then clean up with wet cloth. And now, it's the reason for the 5 millimeter, 4-5 millimeter less. Profile, so rubber profile. It's can close until 7 millimeter gap, 3 until 7 millimeter gap, and will be placed on the cut. And with this, you press the filler in the gap, and it is absolute fix and without a gap in something else to the wall. It's very, very easy to make it like here with this profile. But we have to fix with screws. And the filler is 16 millimeter and 8 millimeter from the front. I make the pre-drill for my screws. So the length of the filler is the height of the towel unit. Not until the floor, only until the bottom shelf. And that's the reason for this holder. There I place my filler onto the holder. So now I make the pre-drills, 3 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter drawer, 8 millimeter from the front. I think in this length 4 screws are enough. So this is preparing. So now we put it into the gap. The rubber profile will hold it. And when you use now we use a hammer with soft plastic. Don't use a iron hammer, please. From wooden is also okay, or your hand, your fist is also okay. And now fix it. I make a 1 millimeter distance to the back. So a little step from the edge, from the side panel edge to the front of the filler, 1 millimeter to the back. But it's your decision to have it flush or plus 1 millimeter or minus 1 millimeter. What do you mean? So let's screw, and that's all.